Okay, this energy drink is good for vegetarian drink because this one is zero sugar. Okay, you can buy, I bought this one from Kmart. Yeah, and there's many different flavors. One is lime, and this one is strawberry watermelon flavor. Ayan, see. So if you are on diet, you don't have to worry about, because this one is zero sugar energy drink. It says energy drink, and yeah, it's a zero sugar, and of course also it's a gluten free, and gluten free, so it's a gluten free, so you don't have to worry about if it's sugar, lots of sugar in it. No. And also this one says in here is zero sugar, good for vegan. So that means good for if you are vegetarian, or if you are on diet, then try this drink instead of other drinks. So its name is Prime. Okay, so let's see. So this is our glass, and you know this one, so flip. Wow. Smell watermelon. Can you see the bubbles there? And of course this also is just only cost you 59 cents, so it's cheap. Very cheap. So it would be nice if you added some ice, but I don't like ice. So see, so the can is totally empty. Then here we go. Cheers. Cheers with Mita. Actually the taste is sweet. But maybe they used the sucral, you know, this one. But its taste is sweet. It's yummy. Yum. Bottoms up. Don't forget Prime. Bye.